Hey
No.
everybody, Dragon here, and this is Shit Series episode 2. Now if you watched our last one, you know, shit went down.
A lot.
A lot. More, that's a little understated, that one. I figure,
You ready? Ready to go back to the place?
ready to fucking
Let's go.
ready to get some
This way.
started up.
This way, sir. I'm gonna use this deep voice during the entire video.
Normally I would record, but my hands
But I
are
have
fucked
to
up.
record because his hands are, dying.
My hand hurts and I can't even fucking touch a fucking controller anymore.
I'm going to, use this deep voice during the entire video.
He just gave up on his normal voice. I just do voice all the time.
Yes, it was. It was my entire voice this entire time.
Yeah.
And, it's very fun.
He was born with a very disease called Oreo cereal.
Oreo cereal. Oreo cereal.
Which his
Voice.
his oral
My voice
Voice.
box.
has a problem with the cells, so it's like sometimes it's high, sometimes it's like that, sometimes like yeah, exactly like that.
And sometimes it's like this.
Yeah, sometimes like that.
And we're going to go back to where why is hair light on?
Sometimes it's like Batman too.
Why is hair light on? Oh god! My voice changed back to normal. Oh my god!
The light's on.
I know. That's where we're going.
Fucking bird, he's out of here, I swear to God.
I'm gonna run.
Okay guys, you're gonna see what's gonna be. You're gonna see if the bird come out and
Oh dear god! It's there!
God damn it! It's scary!
I don't think the... Dude, come on!
No, it's right there!
Please!
I'm scared.
Please come with me, sir. Hold on. Please, let's go.
Cold.
Let's go.
Oh, fuck no.
You're going first!
Why?
Ready! Please!
Ah!
Ah!
Hello?
Hello, Miss
House meeting?
Right here.
I'll come in anyway.
Hold this.
I'll try.
Hold this.
Oh, fuck, there it is. Oh, fuck, it's right there. It's right there, you can see it. You can see it?
It's bird.
Yeah, okay, let's go. I'm done with it.
No, let's go. They have to be able to see it.
They can see it.
No, they can't. Can y'all see that?
Can you all see the fucking bird? I have a zoom feature.
Yeah.
I did not know this.
Oh god!
Did I scare you?
Not you. That thing.
The bird?
You ready?
Boo!
Right
Oh no, it's so
away.
scary. It's the haunted Riley.
Oh, Christ!
Yeah, a little bird.
You don't know what it is.
It could be a skin monster. Nail, it's really scary going in there.
No.
I'll give you $3 if you go in there with it.
To be changed from a fucking robin to a fucking cardinal.
Really?
Yeah, look!
It's a cardinal.
Yeah, it wasn't a cardinal. Y'all saw that, right? Shut up, Bigfoot!
I didn't chainsaw you, idiot.
I don't care. Shut up, Chainsaw! There it is. Would you let go of me, you stupid things? Why are you flying back and forth? Hi. Alright, let's go. Inside. Come on. You go first, then I go in.
Don't push me.
I won't.
Wait.
Come on. I'll go in if you go in. I'm not kidding, sir.
Hello?
It won't fly out towards you.
Because I don't think it's a skinwalker.
Why would it just be a bird?
Exactly, probably just a bird.
You wanna go in? If it's not a skinwalker, it's no harm.
Are you fucking crazy? What does that mean?
No, they're not. I've had birds. They don't mean.
You go in there for a minute and it doesn't attack you, I'll go in.
If you go in there, if we both go in, we're not gonna. We will speak of what we heard over there. I will back you up. And we'll speak of it on here.
I know the thing about the lake.
Yep.
Yeah, you guys made it how like a Bigfoot noise and it was like.
Oh,
It sounded like Bigfoot mixed with like a reptilian thing.
oh fucking Christ. What were you doing, bird?
What the hell is star moving? Dude, look at that star. The star's moving. Dude, look at this. There's a star moving. Dylan, look at that star moving.
I don't care.
No, it's fucking moving.
There's two in there now. I don't care if the damn star's moving.
Fucking look at it.
Shut up, bird.
The star's fucking moving.
They can't see it even.
You can't see the star?
No, I mean they can't. There it is. That star is moving. Down.
Yeah, and I will say, oh, that's an airplane. You guys see that airplane, but the airport's like right by, not too far away from us.
Let's go in. Come on, dude. We have to be a man sometime. This can be our chance.
As if Lifetime wasn't fucking life-threatening.
What?
As if Lifetime wasn't life-threatening. You just want to have proof.
Yes. Oh my god, it's right there. Ready? We're both going at the same time. Come on, man. This is your chance to be a man on YouTube.
Fucking
And
man.
gain subscribers, man. You gotta gain them.
Okay.
PewDiePie gained them overnight.
Fuck you.
Come on.
As if people don't.
Come on. Be a man. We're both going there at the same time.
You go in there.
We're both going there at the same time.
That bird is...
It's not gonna hit you.
I don't want to bother the bird. It's already here as it is. Don't bother the bird. You're hurting it. Wait, I need to fight. Maybe fight again. Did you see that?
What?
Guys, if you guys saw that video, look at the wings. They're flying opposite of the bird.
Let's go in there. Please. They are.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
What the heck?
Ooh, ooh. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh.
Did you see that? It flew backwards.
For a second there, and it went frontwards.
Only one bird can do that.
Hummingbird. And dragonflies.
That's not a hummingbird. A dragonfly is not a bird.
As far as we know, it's not.
It is classified as an insect.
Technically, we just call it an insect. For all we know, it can actually be a bird.
Oh, well, but it's not a... Okay, as our classification, it's not a bird. So, it's not a bird. You can't count it as a bird until we consider it as a bird.
But it's an animal.
Why is it... Why is there a yellow line going through here? Why is there a light in here?
I'm one to know why there's something behind this.
Behind what?
Behind this.
Wanna go? Go away!
Hello, I'll share this thing. No,
Why?
listen, just like feel, just, you know how you can feel stuff? Just feel it, just.
Go away, bird.
Do you feel it right there?
Mm-hmm. Wanna go?
Sure.
Oh my fucking god. You finally flew out! Jesus Christ, you dickhead. Oh my god.
What?
It's so fucking cold.
Did you hear that?
No.
Listen.
I think I'll piss.
So fucking shut up. You wanna go piss out here in the dark? I'm doing it again.
No, this is a piss.
You go piss in there. I'll be over here.
How am I good? I think I just broke everything in there.
Bernie! Is it out?
I don't see it. I don't see it.
Fucking great.
Yeah, I don't see it.
We've done something that no other man could do.
We got free of a bird.
Woohoo! 2 series done.
I don't like that.
Ow!
We're not. Ooh, shiny. I need to take a piss. Are you serious? I need to take a fucking piss.
Why always bugging me?
Huh?
I don't think stars are moving.
I don't see any stars besides one. And that one. Oh well, can I take a piss?
You heard that, right?
What?
That like really long roar. Listen, just shut up. Listen, feel it. It's like small little like roars.
You wanna go over shade?
Man, I'm fucking scared. Whoa!
The roar.
Wait.
Can we go inside?
Yeah.
Can we just end this off and go inside?
Yeah.
We're just gonna pause it here and go inside. Your battery's low.
Fuck.
So we're just gonna pause it here still, and go inside.